Hello everyone, I'm Saikrishna. Now I'll be displaying the demonstration about my Apex user interface. Uh, this is the home screen for the Apex. Once you provide the basic login credentials like the workspace user ID and the password, and on clicking on the login to application, it will redirect us to the workspace where we could find options like application builder, where we need to build our application, SQL workshop to run the SQL commands, and the team development. If there is any project which will be within the team, you can add the users in the administration block and share the activities among them through the team development, so that it will be one application shared by different team members and they can work individually. I have created an application called New Advising System. So let's just run it through clicking on run. This is the home screen. Excuse me. This is the home screen for the application, and it will be asking the user ID and the password. The user ID will be the tech ID of the student number, and the password is up to the user to have it. My tech ID, I have registered myself as a user, so this will be my student number and my password. And on clicking on login, it will redirect me to the home page of the student. Here we can find the student number as the name with the welcome tag and the logout to end the session of the user. This is my home screen where I could find my GPA and the messages which I have from my advisors or from my faculty. These are various tabs which we have created. Student dashboard. Here we can find the courses which he have registered, and the major, the general education department. If he wants to change the program from one to other, he can go through the student dashboard. And here we have two different graphs through which his CGPA will be calculated from semester to semester, from one semester to the other semester, through the courses which I have registered. For the next tab, the programs contain the courses which the university does has offer. A typical university does have courses in undergraduate and graduate, so we just need to search through the major, the graduate. So what kind of graduate program? Let's suppose it be as MBA. We need to choose the academic year and the program to know the courses under it. MBA does have quite different number of programs, and for those programs there will be courses which will be either core or the minor or a prerequisite one. So here are the course numbers, and you can see how it's differ from the other one. MBA 623 is a core, and MBA 695 is a strategic course, and MBA 614 is about the tools. So there will be clear idea for each and every course. Once we get back to the programs, we can find the overall statistics. These are the statistics from the university with respect to each and every department. Consider P001, that's the program number. The program name was not yet decided, but still how many male and how many female have been enrolled into that particular course can be found over here. This is the enrollment tab where we could find three different forms in this one: form enrollment, past courses, and the courses remaining for the student. As I have logged in through my tech ID, I will have the sections, list of sections which I have attended, the academic terms which I have attended. I mean, these are the semester which I have attended in the past, and this will be the student number. And based on this information, if we go and click on the create, it will give us the enrollment form. It's typically like a schedule builder for me in that particular semester with that particular number of credit hours which I can complete. It will just reflect me the courses, so that I can just choose the which are the courses which I can do. Past courses, it does have the information regarding the courses which I have taken in the past, I mean in my previous semesters, and the courses remaining does have the consider the student does have a minimum required number of courses, the core courses, to get complete as a graduate. So if we have done 4 out of 8, the rest of the 4 will be displayed over here in the courses remaining. Similarly, the drop course, if a student have registered for a course and if he wants to drop the course, he just need to enter the section ID which he is enrolling in, the academic term in which the course is offered, and his student number. So once he fill this form and submit it, this will reflect the course number and the entire details of that particular course in that particular section which is offering, and he can just go and click the drop so that he can directly drop the courses. We have created quite different forms in each and every page which was needed. Consider the enrollment tab. We have three different forms: the form on enrollment, region buttons, past courses, and the courses remaining. Each and everything does have its own script, its own unique script, so that we can get particular data. Consider I have courses report past courses, so I have a script which does return all these values: semester, year, course number, course name, credit hours, and department number. So I can just right click on this and then edit. This will give me this will give me the script where I need to submit it. So once we submit the script, it's done. So this is my user interface with Apex for the map database. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.